Had you bought $100 in Bitcoin, you would have made $600 in only 3 weeks. How? Support and resistance level trading. And I'm going to break it down for you right now. My name is Mike, and I teach you how to trade right now. If you want to make money in the markets, stocks, currency pairs, and cryptocurrency, you come to the right place. In an earlier video, I shared my support and resistance trading strategy. If you haven't watched that video, then I suggest you scroll down to the description, click on that video first, and come back to this one afterwards. Don't worry, I'll wait. Support is the price where demand is greater than supply. There are more buyers than sellers, and because of this, price goes up. Resistance, on the other hand, is where supply is greater than demand. There are more sellers than buyers, so price goes down. A support level is where price regularly stops falling and bounces back up, while the resistance level is where price normally stops rising and falls back down. In our support and resistance trading strategy video, support and resistance were represented by lines that swing lows and swing highs, which created channels, either ascending or descending. Support and resistance can also be represented by horizontal lines, known as support and resistance levels. Traders use these levels to determine the direction of the market, find the best entry price, and confirm the best exit price to maximize profit. Support is a price level where the market tends to reverse up after a bearish move, whereas resistance is a price level where the markets tend to reverse down after a bullish move. We're looking for multiple touch points in order to establish a level. Then we draw a horizontal line. Let's look at an example on the charts. This is Bitcoin on the 4-hour frequency. Beginning with a bearish move to the downside, price is going down and then up and then down. Over the course of 3 weeks, price is moving between 28,882 per Bitcoin and 29,900 per Bitcoin, never closing above the psychologically round number of 30,000 per coin. This is the resistance level. We can count at least 4 attempts to close above resistance and 7 attempts to close below support. Had we entered right after the 6th attempt to close below support and set our take profit target to the prior resistance level, then we could have had a 6x return on our investment, or a risk-reward ratio of 6 to 1. For every $1 we invested, we made back $6. Not surprisingly, this works across all other assets and for shorts too. Let's head back to the charts for another example. So there's this button. 2 in fact, a like button and a subscribe button. 2 buttons, 2 clicks. Can you help a brother out? YouTube likes it, and what YouTube likes, I do. Now, back to the video. This is Pound USD on the 4-hour frequency. Beginning with a bullish move to the upside, price is going up and down, then down and up. We can count more than 5 touch points where price failed to close above 1.2450 and below 1.2288. These form our resistance and support levels, respectively. Had we entered a short trade right after the 4th attempt to close above resistance and closed the trade at the prior support level, we would have doubled our money in a matter of 5 days. Now, come closer. This is what you've been waiting for. The single support and resistance level rule of thumb is concise. Buy at support, sell at resistance. This means that when the market reaches a support level, a buy trade may be executed. The reverse is also true. When markets reach a credible resistance level, sell. A word of warning, support and resistance levels are not always observed by the market. This is why a breakout or a breakout and retest strategy makes the most sense, and you can learn more about these strategies by watching the videos linked in the description below. If we go back to Bitcoin, we see that price finally broke out of the support level 3 weeks later. after the candle closed below support was our entry opportunity. And had we entered, we could have made 16 times our money. That said, support and resistance levels are key to technical analysis and understanding where price may potentially reverse. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is simple. First, mark all the highs and mark all the lows. Then, connect the highs and lows to determine your support and resistance levels. Wait for price action to move the market and follow our one rule of thumb. Buy at support, sell at resistance. If you found this information helpful, all I ask is that you like the video and subscribe to the channel below. It takes 2 seconds and 2 clicks, and it means so much to me. Remember to check out my other videos, and thank you for watching.